We did a full custom installation of the requirements they wanted for a blockchain network, and we didn't see that working for many different clients. So we knew we had to do something. Like we tried it, and it wasn't that fun. It's definitely not fun at all. So we wanted something that's more reliable and more scalable for more different clients. One of the big things was it was really difficult to debug stuff on other clients' servers. So really knowing what is going on. The thing is that their sysadmins needs to get the correct error messages from the correct places to send us that, so we know if it's a problem on our end or on their end, and then from there on give them instructions how they need to solve it, which is a real hassle. And then with the support bundles, I think it's called, it makes it a lot easier. Then also, it was quite difficult to update. For example, the one client, we had many different Helm charts to install what they eventually wanted. Now it replicates this click of a button, and we can update everything. And then difficult to license as well. So to put a license on a cluster of a client, well, if the sysadmin knows anything about their infrastructure, they can probably change it and just override the license. And now with licensing with the COTS admin, makes it really secure and nice to work with.